Oh, hello, it's your boy LRB. I'm here to help you with your fish keeping needs. Today we're going to freshen up the utility room, hang some lights, do some hacks and tips and tricks and stuff like that. So let's do this. Alright. Got some new lighting. Sunco Lighting Industrial Shop Light, 4,000 lumens, 40 watts, 5,000 daylight. About to redo the whole, pretty much most of this utility section. You can see here, there's barely any light there. That's actually one of them up right now. Looking good. I'm liking it so far, and very bright. So now I can get these up off the top of the tank and yeah, start brightening it up in here. See what it looks like. We're gonna do some deep cleaning too. Probably gonna have to hang them from here. I've got some flexible strap here, plastic. I'm gonna cut some of that. That way I can strap it up on top with a couple screws. Kind of like it is there with that metal. Very nice guppies. These guys are awesome. Even the females have a lot of colors. LRBcolors.com. You can see the difference though. It's a little more yellow, but it's a lot more brighter. Some of these are starting to lose their power punch. Like that's just too yellow. Looking better already. I love how I got the open space on the top. And you may be wondering what these are. This is actually a pipe hooked up to a pump. That way I can flow it out. I got an attachment to this that hangs up over my barrel. Alright, so I caught my splash tetras reading up in the deli cup. Just going round and round. Looks like there's 3 of them in there. So it's not just 2 breeding. 1, 2, 3. I'm guessing 1 male, 2 females? Or is there another male trying to get in on the action? Now, I do have a video of breeding these guys already. Spirulina batatas. It's a splash tetra. Let's see if I could sneak up. Be a ton of eggs up there. Aha, getting there. Loving it already. Look at the difference. Man, night and day. Oh, getting rid of all these airlines too, since I don't need them. I did have a couple running, but I still didn't need them. I mean, they're not really necessary, so I'm getting rid of all that stuff too. It'll be nice to declutter all this and get that all tied up. Man, oh man. But check it out. Here are all the splash tetra eggs that the Spirulina batatas were throwing. So cool. And the great thing about this lighting is now that I have it up over the tank, see how this is growing out here? I can do that with a lot more of the other plants as well. But instead of just using a strap with a little 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch screw, I'm gonna have to actually hang them from the ceiling here. Nice, they do come with, look, even hooks and chains for hanging. And mollies if you're doing it into a regular ceiling and can't find a stud. Alright, since I'm going into the wood, I'm going to need to pre-drill it a little bit. See there, I tried to go with the metal, but not the actual thread. So it's just a little smaller. All those teeth are going to grip right there. I'm only going to go about 2/3 the way up the thread. That way, actually I may even go half. That way I can drive the rest of that in. More grip, more power. Alright, now when you're drilling this in and it starts getting tough, another little hack, grab you some pliers, use some of that torque power there, right there. Oh yeah, look at that right there. Alright, well that's up. I ran into another problem. They want you to stick it into there. So, just get the drill. Make a little mark right underneath where they're gonna go. Right about here. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now I have to drill 2 loops. One to get this in, one to get it out. Same drill bit, 5/64. I was really surprised to find out that that was actually metal. I figured that would have been plastic, but it is thin metal. So I use a little water with the drill bit. It is a wood drill bit. Got a metal drill bit, even better, but a little water, the wood drill bit works. Now I did switch to a 9/64. The other one's just too small to get that through, so no need to make it too small. Now with 2 pliers, I'm going to manipulate these a lot easier using 2 pliers. That way I can get it in there and then I can form it however I want. It makes it a lot easier. Alright, pretty much went straight with that, but not too far back to break that bend to weaken it up. But now you can kind of get an idea of where this will sit on top. Within here and here, and you can drill another hole. Alright, second hole drill. And now we're going to reverse it and put this straight back up through the other way. That way the hook is on the bottom holding it up. Crimp. Boom, there you go. Voila. Then crimp this back. Tighten it up if you want. Not the prettiest, but it'll work. And I know there's a lot of different ways you can attach these. This is just using what I was given from the company. I know you can use like eye hooks and a bunch of other stuff, but using what I got. Boom, just like that, you're done. Now these are 48-inch lights, so I am overhanging them, but I could always grow some plants or something in between once I clean up these wires and stuff. You know, that'd be cool. Oh no, now you see my shameful tank, but it's hung. Booyaka. Get the rest. And as far as this tank, it's Lympnophilia aromatica. A big reason why it went like this was not enough light and not enough water changes. Lympnophilia aromatica really loves oxygenation of water changes. And you can grow it in hard water and soft water. It will transition between the two. Alright, so here you have it. Done. Looking good. Let's do a little more cleanup. Poof! And just like that, do a quick edit and it is done looking clean. Had a lot of fun hanging out with Fish Room Fever on his live stream Saturday night hangout. That was a blast. Lots of great people on there. Check them out. And I wish I would say all your names, and I know they're going to get mad because I didn't say all their names. But check out these live streams. You'll see these guys on there. Check them out. It's just fun to hang out with other fish people. But yes, I am loving this. Look how clean that light is. Woo! Now that's fresh. And down here we got 75s, we got 240s, 40, 20, 20, 20, 40, 75. Check out these guppies. This thing is just looking sick right now. Nice. Alright, and a quick pro tip for you guys. If you have rocks that grow algae on them, just get the majority off, flip them upside down, then it'll take care of the algae. Easy peasy, don't have to do a lot. So just scrape off the majority, flip it over. These nurries in here are getting huge. Oh, this is cool. I got these fire and ice. Caught them sleeping because I had to get back on here, get that rock tip and algae tip just to get a few more minutes of watch time. But at least I'm trying to give you guys some value. But as you can see here, guppies do sleep on the bottom. That's why I recommend when you're breeding them to either have coverage on the bottom and top for your babies. But oh my god, these guys are so beautiful. Look at that. And there's a shrimp. This is the tank beside them. Jumbo sapphires. Now there is one more downfall about having your lights like this up off the tanks is you do get a lot more reflection from it. This is what the Dumbo panda guppies look like. That's the male. Oh, he just took off, but he's sleeping. See, the females have the big dorsal fins too. Dang, she's super preggo. Alright, so there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, that would be awesome. I would appreciate it. And subscribe if you haven't, because I got all kinds of crazy stuff about to go on, about to happen. And yeah, it's only gonna get cooler from here. So I hope you guys all enjoyed. Till next time, everybody, peace. Have a great one.